In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix camera not working on HP laptop. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.
Anyways, getting into it, it's actually very easy to go ahead and do this. But basically, all you want to go ahead and do is firstly go over to your settings. So I'm going to right click on my Windows icon, then go over to settings like so, then go to privacy and security, scroll down, and I'm going to see camera. Click on that, make sure camera access is enabled. And if you're trying to use it on a specific application, you could enable it for that specific application as well. The next thing you want to go ahead and do is exit out of that. Then go to your device manager. So right click on your Windows icon again, go to device manager. It's going to open up this little thing right here. Go to cameras, and whatever camera you're using, you can right click on it. You can disable it and then enable it, see if that works, or you can press update driver and you can search automatically for the best driver to see if it's like, fully up to date and everything. And the final thing you can do whenever you have the camera application open, just press F10 on your keyboard. That might just refresh your camera and then you should be good to go after those things.